Welcome friends, I'm gonna to share with you what should you do with cryptocurrency pairs with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple and Litecoin. Where is accurate entry point, where you should set stop loss, take profit, how long you should hold, where are best places to buy, and we are covering all of this right now and here. Let's go. My name is Yuri, I'm top author on TradingView. If you're first time here, hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss anything. First, we would cover about Bitcoin. After that, there would be Ripple, Litecoin and Ethereum step by step that you will not mix. Below this, there would be time codes if you want to listen only about Ethereum. And let's go. First, about Bitcoin. About Bitcoin, my friends, we recorded, as you remember, if you saw previous our video where we told that Bitcoin after that pullback, if you remember this, why all crypto got dropped, that we told Bitcoin will do a pullback and after that still it is completely bullish. And at this moment, if you watch the chart, you see that Bitcoin completely repeats the same story. It is this story, as you can see. What's going on? After paranormal big candle like this one, price made a pullback and what? Full weakness of sellers. As you can see, price can't close even at low. All pullback, someone buy. As you can see, even here was the biggest volume. Let's open lower time frame and you would understand what I mean. Take a look. It was one of the biggest pullback on Bitcoin because in within few days Bitcoin made 3,300 down drop. And what's going on? What happened after that? If you would take a look on a chart, completely take a look, you would see that the biggest volume, the lowest volume was here on a high. Biggest volume was here, as you can see, biggest volume. Inside in that candle were traded 3,400 Bitcoins only on this exchange. If we would add all exchanges, maybe there would be 10,000 Bitcoins only in this 1 hour candle. Plus this one, it was 1,800 Bitcoins. And after that, as you can see, completely weakness of sellers because people who hold buy position in all these areas, their break-evens were hidden. Some people who open buy in this area, their stop losses were hit. Imagine you open buy inside in this area and your stop loss here, your stop loss hit. And when you hold buy and you close your position, you sell it. And take a look, after this huge sell liquidity, price create completely opposite reaction. What's going on? For you, market show a signal that guys, thank you for your liquidity. We take your liquidity and go up with your Bitcoins. That's what happened. As you can see, someone absorbed all that down drop and after that completely re-high. At this moment, Bitcoin can continue the same. After pullback, as you can see, weakness. Price didn't close even a candle at low and create a slower range to the level. I hope Bitcoin will do something like this. This range. Why it would be so important? Because this range would be best confirmation that price will continue uprise and there would be good and powerful uprise because someone will be able to build a position here. By the way, I have a lesson on YouTube, there would be a link below, where I explain how market works and how to understand how big players hit stop losses, how key levels works. I'll put for you a special playlist below and which you will be able to watch after this. Also, if you enjoy, hit the subscribe button and the bell. There would be a lot of updates in the future. And at this moment, I hope there would be something like this range. And that would be best confirmation that Bitcoin will continue up price without like there would be very slow pullbacks and just up rise. Also today we already sent to our members, to our subscribers on TradingView that we think Bitcoin will continue uprise. And here take a look, you can open our TradingView page where we share free technical analysis with other people. As you can see, Bitcoin today already broke out this trend line, and I think if that would be slowly continue, that would be best confirmation for uprise. Many of you would ask me, Yuri, can I open buy position in this case? Yes, you can open buy positions when price create some patterns. First one, you can open entries at key levels. What is a key levels? There would be a lesson about support resistance. I'll put also in that playlist that lesson. Also, you can open entries at trend lines with continue to uprise. Better build trend lines on 1 hour chart. Lower time frame please don't use, because that would be lower time frames is not good, is not accurate. Even here, take a look, this trend line breakout, what happened after that powerful uprise. Here, as you can see, another trend line breakout, pull back to this area could be a good place for buy entry. Remember, if breakout will happen, that could be good and powerful uprise. Also, many of you would ask me, okay, it's good, but where would be our take profit? Friends, no one knows how far Bitcoin will rise up. I don't know, even Warren Buffett, Jimmy Buffett, no one knows where Bitcoin will rise up till what price. But what we can do, if we want to be honest with each other, you should close your position by portions. For example, you open buy in this value area and you set stop loss below this tail, for example. Or there would be some pullback to this area and you close, you set stop loss here. What would be your best place for take profit? Best would be is to close Bitcoin by parts. For example, you set first goal here 1 to 3 risk reward. I recommend you to focus on risk reward. I recommend you to set first goal at 1 to 3 risk reward, second goal to set 1 to 5 risk reward. At 1 to 5 you should close at least 60% of your position. Second goal you can set at 1 to 7 risk reward, and you would see like you will close it by portions and you will take money back on your account. And after that, when you have smaller position, for you it will be easier to hold, because for many people it's difficult to hold a position. That's the best idea which I think to do, because on Ethereum, my friends, it would be the last one. Watch till the end, because Ethereum is the most interesting one, the really interesting entry point and the clear target where we can set take profit. Watch till the end this video, because for you it will be very, very interesting. That's why once more, close by portions. Also, you can use, you can follow me on TradingView. There's some interesting pictures I shared. Also, if you want to like to smash smash crypto market, I recommend you to be in our Discord VIP room for members, because nearly every day we share good and best trade ideas with other people. Example for you, like Bell. Take a look a few days ago when it broke. After that, we made all pullbacks. Take a look here. When price broke, it was 20% within 1 day, 4 hours. Price made that profit for all of us. As you can see, every day we share trade plans, trade ideas, what you should trade here on crypto and FX market. You just can be part of this, and there would be contacts, and ask my team. They would send you all info. Okay, let's go to another one. It would be, let's speak about Ripple. Ripple. My friends, once more, if you enjoy, subscribe, hit the bell. That would be useful for you, I promise. Ripple. Ripple, to be honest, Ripple's the worstest one, because Ripple, after all of this powerful uprise, Ripple made paranormal rise. I don't like currencies which create a paranormal rise, because I sent to all our members and to on YouTube channel. It was a previous video where I told that Ripple with huge possibility will do a pullback after that pump. Here we have a free channel. As you can see, we have a free Telegram channel where we share all the ideas about which we publish on TradingView. There would be a link below. And here we published, as you remember, Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and here must be a Ripple. Where is it? Ripple, sell after that 200 pump. As you can see, I hope you remember. I hope you saw that video. If not, on our YouTube channel, you will find it. When Ripple was at 0.63, I told guys, it is overbought and there would be a pullback. And take a look what happened after that. Ripple, take a look here. Take a look on this idea which we published on TradingView, where I told guys pullback in this value area, huge down drop, and after this idea, Ripple dropped down from 73 to 45, huge, nearly 35 or 40%, because it is not stable. People who open buy in this area, inside in that area, huge possibility that those people who open buy position inside. What's the main problem? Imagine you open buy inside, and here you open a chart and you see 200% profit. Of course, you can take part of that profit. You can put it on your table and feed your family, because it's bunch of profit, 200%. That's the main problem. That's why I allow when price moves slowly. At this moment on Ripple, what I expect, only if Ripple will create triangle and squeezing to this key level, only if this will happen, only in that case I will open buy position. And the same logic will be the same as on Bitcoin, and I will close position by portions. How to set stop losses? Many of you would ask, okay, where would be stop loss? A lesson about stop losses, how to set it, I will put below in special playlist for all of you. When you will finish, just watch that special playlist and your trading will be game changing. Okay, that's why about Ripple. Still, if all market will rise up, Ripple also will rise up. But entry point will be only if Ripple will create good and beautiful squeezing, something like this. Only this would be good and accurate signal. My friends, if you want to receive best signals on Ripple updates, you should join our VIP room where we have chat and all people, as you can see. Take a look of thank you, Yuri, for the Eagle USDT. My first call with Bika successful. 13% only within 1 day, my friends. It's incredible. Okay, let's go. Go to the next to Litecoin, and the last one would be Ethereum. That's the most interesting part. You should watch it till the end, because it would be very useful and interesting for you. Litecoin, my friends, Litecoin at this moment looks also very good, like Ethereum. As you can see, after this value area accumulation, price made deep pull back and someone bought back. As you can see, take a look on this very big volume. That showed to us, as you can see, take a look how low it is. There at least a chance that Litecoin will hit this area. There at least this chance. And at this moment, as you can see, Litecoin build value below this previous high. And at this moment, I think, my friends, if you hold Litecoin from any of these areas, I recommend you to hold it, because as you can see, those people who build position here, they already in good profit, and they already, some of them out. As you can see, some weaker, those who was weak out, and someone, take a look how someone supports this. Take a look on this support level, how someone bought back. As you can see, nearly the same as on Bitcoin. Biggest volume, take a look, biggest volume here, and reaction completely opposite. Completely opposite reaction. Take a look here. Take a look on this big volume. Take a look how someone just bought it back. Someone just bought it back and moved here. That's why at this moment I also bullish on Litecoin. To be honest, good entry point was here. That entry point we set into our VIP room, into our VIP community. At this moment, what you can do, if there would be any pullback in this value area, you can open buy position and hold it, because possibilities that it will continue uprise at least into this 146 area, very huge. That's why once more, pull back to 77, better to say 75, 70, 80 area would be best place for buy entry, with potential goal to 143 to 140, better to say. Also, if you will open that entry, it would be good to close it by portions. My friend, if you think it's useful for you, you gain a lot of value. Right now, hit the subscribe and hit the bell. And the last one, Ethereum. To be honest, Ethereum for me looks the best, because Ethereum showed to us clear power. And what's the main power of Ethereum? That they start Ethereum 2, they start new system, and many people hold their Ethereum and lock up their Ethereum for big period of time. That's why for Ethereum, I think it would be even better. Future of Ethereum could be even better than Bitcoin and Litecoin, the future chance. Here, take a look how we nailed Ethereum few weeks ago, where we sent to all our members. By the way, I can teach you how to use it, how to build the skill levels, all of that. There would be a link below if you want to learn how to trade crypto properly. Take a look how we nailed Ethereum. We told to all the people, and in previous video, if some of you remember, where we told that, guys, Ethereum soon would be 800, as you can see in previous video here. And at this moment, I still think it will continue uprise. If you open buy position in this area, at least where I told you to do it, I recommend you just to hold it, because as you can see, same pattern as on Bitcoin. After pull back, Ethereum coming back to this key level and build value area here. Breakout of this would be a good signal for continue uprise. And goal still the same on Ethereum. Goal is this key level 840, and if you open buy position, as we told you in this value area, you should just hold it, and your stop loss should be at 475, 470. This area is good for stop loss. And take profit, better to say at 815, something like that. As you can see, risk reward 1 to 14. My friends, if you just first time here, that's the reason why you should follow me, because we share, as you can see, a lot of value with our people. And if you would ask me what to do if I would like to open a position, in what cases you can open a trade on Ethereum. First one, if at this level there would be additional value area, additional value accumulation, if there would be additional range, breakout of this would be a good place for buy entry, because there would be low predictable stop loss. Or if somehow there would be pullback at least into 520, 490 in this area. From this area also you can open buy position and hold it to uprise, because possibility for uprise still huge. We're still in uptrend, still all pullbacks, as you can see, really weak. There is still a huge weakness of sellers and momentum. I think that would skyrocket. And after that, the next goal for Ethereum is 840. What will be after that, my friends, no one knows, and that would be in next series. If this video will get at least 1,000 likes and 10,000 views, I will record next update with Ethereum and all of them separately. Thanks for watching. Watch the next 2 lessons. See you in next series. Bye.